Want to grow new plants without using seeds or cuttings? Get ready to have your mind blown. Today we're diving into air layering, a powerful technique that lets you clone plants right from their branches. And stick around, because we're revealing 5 plants you didn't know could be air layered. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss our future videos. Also, drop a quick comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. Your support helps this channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. What is air layering? Air layering is a method of plant propagation where you encourage roots to grow on a branch while it's still attached to the parent plant. Once rooted, you cut it off and plant it. Simple, effective, and seriously cool. Plant number 1, mango. Mango. Yes, your favorite tropical fruit tree can be air layered. This technique helps mango trees root faster and fruit sooner. It's perfect for home growers with limited space. Plant number 2, citrus trees. Citrus trees like orange, lemon, and lime. These are great candidates for air layering. You'll get a mature fruit-bearing tree much quicker than growing from seed. Plant number 3, ficus. Whether it's the rubber plant or weeping fig, air layering works wonders, especially for overgrown houseplants you want to tame or multiply. Plant number 4, rose. Surprised? You can air layer roses too. Get more of your favorite varieties without worrying about grafting or seed failure. Plant number 5, guava. Last but not least, guava. This fast-growing fruit tree responds well to air layering, and it's a great way to multiply high-yield trees. Air layering is easy, cost-effective, and incredibly satisfying. So why not try it today? Hit like if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant hacks and growing tips every week. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you in the next video.